Are you struggling to render a single-channel bitmap using Direct2D? You're not alone. Many experienced programmers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. I completely understand your frustration. You've invested time in learning Direct3D and OpenGL, and now you're hitting a wall with Direct2D. It's a common hurdle, especially when transitioning to new technologies. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. You mentioned that you're trying to render a single-channel bitmap on Windows 8.1 machine using Direct2D. You created an ID2D1 device context with a Direct3D swap chain, but you're running into a debug error when calling draw bitmap. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The error message indicates that the operation is not compatible with the pixel format of the bitmap. This can be confusing, especially since single-channel textures are widely supported in graphics applications. Stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to work with single-channel bitmaps in Direct2D, and I promise you'll feel more confident in your coding skills. To address the issue with rendering a single-channel bitmap in Direct2D, the user should first confirm the supported pixel formats for bitmaps. Direct2D does not support single-channel formats like DXGI format R8 unorm directly. Next, the user should create a bitmap using the DXGI format R8G8B8 unorm format. This format includes an alpha channel, which allows Direct2D to process the bitmap correctly. After creating the bitmap, the user should ensure that the source data is properly formatted. The data should be structured to match the new pixel format, which includes 3 color channels and an alpha channel. Finally, when calling the drawBitmap function, the user should ensure that the bitmap is correctly passed and that the parameters are set appropriately for rendering. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphics cards could only render in black and white? We've come a long way since then, but some challenges still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using Direct2D effects. They mention that you can utilize built-in effects or create your own. Specifically, they recommend the color matrix effect, which might allow you to use your single-channel bitmap as input. By setting the color matrix property, you could copy the input channel to all output channels. Here's a pro tip. Always check the documentation for supported pixel formats when working with new technologies. It can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to render single-channel bitmaps in Direct2D without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.